Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel Crafty Moms. In today's video I will be showing the basics of Cricut Design Space on a computer. I have a Windows 10 computer. I wanted to share how to use Cricut Design Space. This is beginners friendly. So let's jump right into this video, but before I start, please hit that like button, drop a comment or a question below. Share this video, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you will be notified every time I drop a new video. So let's get right into it. So if you go to the top left corner and you see the three little lines, if you click on it, you have your home button, you have your canvas, you have your new project setups, which is like your new machines, your calibrations, firmware update. You have your Cricut access, and you have what's new. So if you haven't been on Design Space in a while, you could click the what's new button, and it will basically explain to you what's new. If you look right beside it, there's a home button. If you go all the way to the right, you have my projects, which are your saved projects, and you have this drop down to where it has the different machines that you could choose from, whichever machine you're using that day. You just click on it, and what I like about that is once you click on the machine, it has projects that it's compatible with, so that's really good. If you come down and you look right here, you have the latest updates of Cricut scrolling. And if you scroll, you will see them, or they'll just slide over. If you come down, you have my projects, which are, again, your saved projects. As you can see, I have a few there that I saved. If you come down a little more, you'll have your Design Space introductions, which is basically introduction videos on how to use stuff in Design Space. If you click on the link, it will take you to their YouTube, which have more videos of how to use different things with your machine. If you come down, you have pre-made projects, and also you have community projects, which are projects other people made in the Cricut community that they saved and shared with the community, so you can make their projects as well. If you come back up, I want to show you 3 ways you could get into your canvas. You could come to the 3 lines and you could go to canvas, click on canvas. You could go over here to this green button that says new projects, and you could come right here and click the plus, and it'll take you to the canvas. This is the canvas. You have new, you have templates, you have projects, you have images, text, shapes, and uploads. And I'm just going to show you a few basics on how to make, whatever design you're trying to achieve. So templates is, whatever you're using, apron, shorts. You could type in shirts. It'll show you a template of a shirt so you can have a guide. Those are the different type of shirts you can use for the guide. But it also has a drop down. It has different categories, so you could choose which one you're looking for. And the projects, this is, like I said, the pre-made projects that Design Space offers, so you can make. Then you have images. Now, Cricut does have their own images that you can choose from, that you can browse. You also have the option to categorize what you're looking for. You have text, so you just click on text and the box will pop up. So I'm gonna type my name, Crafty Moms. You can change the font. You can size it, make it big, make it small. You can rotate it. You can hit this unlock button to unlock the size, so you can move it up, make it small, make it big, make it large, make it long, make it short, any way you want to make it once you hit that unlock button. You can change the color to any color you would like. You can change the operation. I want a basic cut. You can draw it with a pen. Any one of these. You could wave it. You could use full, score, just on whatever you're using. But if you're using HTV vinyl, then, you know, iron-on vinyl, then you would do basic cut. You could change the style, which right now is only let me do regular, but you could have, sometimes you have the option to do Italian bold, Italian regular bold, you know what I mean, those things. You could change the font size, which I think we talked about. You could change the letter spacing. You could space it out, or you could bring it in as close as you would like. I think I'm gonna bring it back out some. Oh, I think it's cute right there. Okay, so you can center it left, put it on the left, put it on the right. You can curve it down, or you could curve it up, however you want to. I'm gonna leave it right there because it look good right there. Just bring it up some. Yes, you could change, double click it and change it to whatever you want to. So I want to have an and me, crafty moms and me. You can ungroup the letters to move it. You can hit the back button. So now it's back together. It's back grouped because I hit the back button. I'm trying to make sure I didn't miss anything. You can offset it, which is basically have a background. And I'm going to do it like that. You can add curves, or you can add corners. But I'm gonna just go back to that one. And you see how I put the black on the back? You could click over here and change the color. Say if I wanted the purple in the background. Boom. There we go. Crafty moms. See? Let's hit the back button to put it back. And to group it, you could just click it together. Up here in this corner, you see group. And just click group. And now it's going to all move together. To ungroup it, just hit ungroup. And you move it. You could duplicate it. It's two of me. And you can really style this however you want to. Crafty moms and me. Anywho, you could delete it. You could click one and hit delete. And it's, you know, just one again. Let me see. You can add a shape. Let's add a star. Again, with the shapes and the letters and the images, you can move it. You could do it however you want to do it. I think I want to put it about right here. And I want to change the color to that purple. Yeah, you could put it anywhere. You could put it in the back. Let me show you how to do that. So arrange, center back. And as you can see, my star is like in the back of, oh, let me click star. I'm showing that crazy. Star. Anywho, As you can see, the star is in the back of everything. See, it's in the back. You see how the meat is over top of it because the star is in the back. Let me see what else. So let's go back up to images. I'm gonna just pick an image to show you. So let's do baby. And you see socks come up, the word baby come up, bib, bottle, stroller, and the feet. I'm gonna just go back up. Let's do sock. See my sock. You could change the color. You could size it. You could rotate it. And you could attach everything, like I said. Group it together. You could ungroup it. You could weld it down here in the bottom right. You could weld it. You could attach it. You could flatten it. You could slice it. Now let's go back over here. You can upload an image. As you can see, I got a few images uploaded already. You can do patterns, but I'm not going to get into that on this video. You could do uploads. So let's upload Fortnite. And as you can see, I have Fortnite uploaded. You could flip it. Flop it. You can rotate it. You can offset it. Yeah. And how to upload an image, I would do another video on that. But this is your basics of Cricut Design Space.